Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. Let's get right on to it. Light accounts may go live on the XRP Ledger. So according to the official announcement shared by XRPL Labs on its official social media channels, a standard proposal XLS23D has been submitted by development. Now, you might be wondering, did he make a mistake? XRPL, not XRP? If you don't know the difference between XRPL and XRP, you need to do your research. It's what I keep going on about, and I know you guys haven't. And I know there are some of you that just simply, your friend of a friend of a friend said, go into this, and you did it. Or maybe you just even saw the thumbnail and just went into it, right? But it is important. It is your future. It's your investments on the line. And you will make a mistake if you don't research. If you research, it will be a lot better for you because you'll have a lot more posture. And it's really, really important that when you research, that you actually research the things that maybe perhaps you have a little doubt on, right? And then through your own research, you will actually understand what it is. When we talk about the XRPL and Light accounts going live, this is what we're talking about here, right? So go follow our XRPL Labs on Twitter, and you actually get to know a little bit more about them, how it works, what's their main role within the blockchain, and it's pretty cool, like, information that they provide. So sponsored accounts may be opened with 1XRP and all this stuff, right? Which is really, really relevant and important for you to have a much better understanding of this monstrous ecosystem, which, to be probably accurate, maybe 90% of people don't really understand what is going on and just how big the XRP blockchain is, right? I'm gonna say 90, but I got a feeling it's probably a little bit more, like 95%. Now, when it comes to XRP price update, recent developments and future events, like, there are lots of, articles that come out, lots of people that talk about, what's going on, what's happening. And obviously, investing.com is a very big source of news, right? Now, I had a look through this, right? And what's really, really fascinating is that they are at least 3 to 7 days behind. Minimum. So if the only place that you get your news from is these type of places, you're 3 to 7 days behind the 8 ball. So you got to be really, really careful about where you get your information from because, sorry guys, but investing.com is just not good enough. Now, Ripple demands disclosure concerning SEC employees' XRP holdings. Now, this is big. This can throw out the whole case. So XRP is demanding disclosure concerning SEC's employees' rights to buy XRP, sell XRP, buy Ethereum, sell Ethereum, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin. This can throw the whole case out. That's how big this is, right? Because if the SEC employees internally did not follow protocol and bought or sold things when they weren't meant to, this can throw out the entire case. That's how huge this is. And I will keep you updated on how that progresses. Now, when we look at the price charts and we look at what's been going on right now, you can see this kind of formation that we're in. So, for those of you panicking or, perhaps thinking what's going on right now and what is happening, just hold. Just be patient. It's just a matter of time. It's coming. And it's going to come real quick. And when it does arrive, it is going to be legendary. But when in doubt, always zoom out. Now, Cointelegraph posted this particular article, what is XRP and what does it have to do with Ripple? It's an introduction. I like when things are explained, but this goes into quite some detail, right? So, Cointelegraph.com, Ripple 101, what is XRP and what does it have to do with Ripple? Very good. To break down what is the XRP ledger, what's it got to do with Ripple, who's XRP, how does it work, all of that, right? So understanding the value of XRP as well. So quite detailed, and these are the kind of things that these guides are very, very good for you to do, to learn, to read. That's good research, right? Investing.com and looking at something that's so outdated, not that good. Not that good at all. Now, from a price point of view, I have mentioned in the past that we have a gigantic cup and handle forming right now. So cup is yellow, and then the handle on the side. and then we're going to skyrocket into, prices that are going to be in the double digits. And it's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I just want you to know where we're heading, and we're heading to the moon. But from here, 128 is the next target, right? So that's the next stop that we need to make. Touchdown on 133, and then keep pushing forward. So should we continue to go down? Support levels are $1, 93 cents, 83 cents. But I think, we are going towards 128, then step above 130, consolidate above 130, and then push for 170 is really, really cool. Now, other important news to mention today is that this particular source, Celent, is a leading research and advisory firm focused on tech for financial institutions globally. And Ripple screenshot from August 26, 2021, report based on Celent Research and Incentive. Ripple Slides explains line of credit with XRP and CBDC's near launch of XRP as bridge plus NFTs. Let me explain. The XRP ledger will be the bridge between all CBDC bridges. It's the bridge of the bridges. That's how much the XRP ledger will be involved in the new up and coming technology that is being rolled out across banks all over the world. So any hesitation, any doubt that you might have where this is heading, XRP is heading straight to the moon. It might not be overnight, right? It might not be today, tomorrow, the next day, but the future could not look more bright for a blockchain that is so diverse, that has so much potential, that has so many connections. It is literally a matter of time. Let's have a look at the time. Let's have a look at some of the indicators. Okay, so we kick off the charts at the moment when we look at the indicators for XRP. We're sitting at $1.14 at the time of making this, but you can see on the daily, it's like flat. Like there's not much action has happened at all today. And we know that, days like today are low volume. Now, on the hour, what's really fascinating is that what goes outside of the Bollinger Band must come back inside the Bollinger Band at some stage. And it has. And it is continuing to. But it's still bearish on the MACD and on the RSI. It's not giving us that much, it's not giving us that much comfort, right? Now, as we look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour is sitting bullish, but still weak, right? Not that much volume has happened. On the 12 hour, still bearish. And so 3 out of 4 are bearish at the moment, right? So which would suggest that we're going to go down a little bit more before we start to rise and go up. Some coins, very few coins are in the green, but majority are in the red at the moment. So we're expecting next 12, 24 hours red, and then we're going to kick off again on Tuesday, as we usually do in Australia, with the prices starting to go up. So look out, right? So look out for 109s again, look out for 107s again, because they could be on the horizon. Now, also don't count on that happening too, because all it takes is one piece of news, and all of a sudden the price will skyrocket. That is the one thing that an indicator will never tell you, is that, right? So when it comes to the price action and indicators, that can only go based on numbers, but one piece of news comes out and it all goes to the moon. So be mindful of that. Let's have a look at some drawings of what they teach us. So I wanted to kick off with this one because we always talk about two scenarios, right? So we talk about scenario number 1 and scenario number 2. Now, scenario number 1, let's say the prices were to go down, let's say the market was to go into a very, very bearish mode, then we would go towards 80 cents. Now, the opposite, we go to 130, we retest to 115, and then we jump to 160. That there is what I'm going to go behind, but it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only telling you my thoughts, my opinions. And my opinion is that is where we're heading. We're heading towards that particular target. Now, when I look at how we're going to get there, this is probably like the sort of journey that we'll take. We'll touch 120 a couple of times and then go towards 125 and then break 125 and go towards 130s and beyond. That there I can get behind. Long term, we're going to sit in this window close to $2 for a while, and then we're going to explode into double digits, touch 14. I know here it shows 18, but I reckon we'll touch 14 and then have a nice retrace back to 5. That there is what I'm going with. But you got to look out for $1 as a resistance point, and you got to look at 80 cents as resistance points if we were to go down that path. But I think we will go above 130, maybe even touch 140, come back to 126 as support, and then skyrocket to 160. That is the next phase that we're going to be playing. Now, with or without the SEC, $3.75, $5, they're all happening, right? And this is just a ticking time bomb because it's been a long time in the making. But I just wanted to clarify that because I know you guys ask about it. So, short term, we're going towards 160. We will keep a very close eye on how we go towards getting there. But long term, double digits, case settlement, mass adoption, it is all about to kick off, and I'll be right here. If you enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.